loves, welcome back to our channel. This is Jerry from Dreaming Craft Shop, and in today's video I'll be unboxing and reviewing these Switch gamer grips. I want to start by thanking the team at Satisfye for being nice enough to send us both of these grips to review and share with you guys. I want to start with this grip, the one for the original Switch. It comes in black. It's pro-designed for the Switch. I'm going to read you guys the information on the box because a lot of it is helpful. Right, here are a couple of reviews. This one is from IGN saying, I really like this thing. It feels fantastic. I don't think I'm going to be taking this off anytime soon. So that's really good. And here's another review. I'm going to turn it around to see what's on the back. So right here it tells you what comes in the box. And it's going to be the Switch Grip Pro, which is the one that's for the original Switch, and 2 thumb pads, so these black ones. The thumb pad, it's going to give you right here a little more information about all of the features. So right here it tells you that the thumb pads are a slightly raised surface with added texture for superior control. You can see their little logo is in the texture. That's pretty cool. It says scratch resistant and secure silicone padding keeps the Switch locked in place. It has a built-in stand that stands vertically with space for charging. That's actually really cool because I know a lot of people ask me about these clear stands that I use. So with this, the grip itself is actually a stand, and I'll show you guys how to use that. And it also leaves room at the bottom here so that you can actually plug in your charger, because with these like plastic ones, there's no room to charge. It also says it has a rubberized grip, textured grip for more comfort and control that feels great in your hands. It's an ergonomic design. It's asymmetrical design for proper wrist and hand positioning with relaxed and easy thumb reach. So I think they're saying basically there that when you're holding it, it should be comfortable enough that you should reach the thumb grip and it should be comfortable still. So let's try it. I'm really excited. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. It has a piece of tape here, but I think it's already open. I think we just have to pull this back. Alright, this is what's inside. I believe this is going to be the thumb grips. And this is the actual grip. I'll put this box aside since we don't need it. Alright, this is what the actual grip looks like. It has the Satisfye logo on the side. It feels really comfortable already. These here where you're gonna push your Switch into are actually really like soft silicone, so I don't feel like it's going to scratch or damage your Switch when you place it in and out of the grip. And this is the stand part. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my Switch and put it in here for you guys. Alright, so I think all you have to do is just kind of snap it in like you would a hard case. Oh, there it goes. That was really easy. It snapped in really easy. It didn't feel like I had to put a lot of pressure on it, and it does feel like a tight fit. I actually really like how the grips here feel on my hands. They're matte, but not, I don't know, it's just like, it's a nice feel and it doesn't feel slippery. It has a nice resting place here for your finger. And they're right, you can reach the joysticks very easily. Alright, let's see. They say that it's a stand, so I want to show you guys that. See if we stand it up here. Alright. See, you won't need a stand. It stands on its own like that. And then you can even plug your charger in at the bottom and charge while it's on a stand. And if you had a controller, I think I have a controller, one of these drawers, you can just play like this. That would be cool. Alright, now that that one's on, I think I'm just going to leave it on like that, and I'll show you guys the Switch Lite. These are the grips that come with it. I'm gonna put them on, but I think I'll do that towards the end and switch it for these and see if they're any different or better than the paw grips. This is the box for the Switch Lite version. Seems very similar, except it has images how it looks on the different Switch Lite colored devices. This one is actually I believe right now it only comes in white, but they will be coming out with like a light blue and a green and different colors. So if you check out their Satisfye Instagram, just like this, you'll be able to see the different color options that they're coming out with. And they actually have carrying cases where you can carry your Switch with the grip still on. You don't have to take the grip off. So that's really cool. If you want to go visit their website or visit their Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter, you'll see more information about that. On the back on this one is a little different. Same content, Switch grip, but light. The Pro was for the original Switch. And it has 2 rubber thumb grips. I believe these are white. Telling you the same here, no touch edges, vertical stand, so that's great to know that it also has that stand option. And the back is a rubberized grip. I think that's a little different from this one, where the back is more like rubbery. We'll see that right now when we open it up. 6 degrees of airflow allow air circulation and prevents your Switch Lite from overheating. So that's actually really good to know if any of you were concerned that it might cause some type of overheating or something. It lets you know here that there's good airflow and circulation, so there's no reason for your device to overheat if you keep the grip on. Oops, I had it upside down. Wow. Okay. Oh, there's also here, it's covered by a 3-year limited warranty. That's actually good to know. So make sure you read this and make sure you register for your warranty. If you need help, there's a contact email address right here, so that's good to know as well. All right, this one comes the same way. It comes with the 2 grips in the little bag. These are the little grips with the logo. These are really cute. I'll probably put those on too. And then this is the actual grip itself. Again, I'm gonna put the box to the side because I don't think we need it anymore. All right, let's try the Switch one on. Oh, did you hear my cat? All right, I'm hoping it's the same. You just kind of push it in. This one seems to be somewhat of a tighter fit. Oh, there it goes. Sorry, that was just me. It's probably because of the skin. It's a really thick skin, but it actually wasn't too hard. I was just a little afraid to push, but it's in there and it's pretty snug. I wish you guys could feel this because it's hard, but it's like kind of soft, rubbery at the same time. So it's really comfortable. The logo's on the back. Satisfye Switch Lite grip. It feels really good in your hands. I actually really like this. So let's see the how it looks standing. All right, same thing. It stands pretty well, and it has the room at the bottom for charging, which is really good. I really like that about that, because like I said, these clear acrylic holders that I have, I can't charge the device while it's sitting in there. All right, now that we've opened the boxes, we've pulled everything out, we've been able to touch it, feel it, test it out for ourselves, I feel like I'm really happy with both of these grips. I'm really excited that I got them, and I feel like I would definitely buy these. I would definitely recommend them, get them for family members. If you're interested in one of for yourself, I'll put the links in the description. Also, this one right now, they're actually on sale, and the one for the regular Switch is about $25 before shipping and fees, and the Switch Lite is $22. So I would definitely grab one of those if you're interested. All right, that's all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you want to see more content, please comment below. Let us know if you liked this, if you want to see more unboxings, if you think you might get this grip or not. Sound off below and we'll be happy to reply and answer your questions.